A perfect directional forecast still results in a loss if the entry triggers your stop loss early. When your timing is off, the analysis is useless. The gears slip, and the market moves exactly where you predicted only after you're liquidated. Precision requires a repeatable framework. I am going to walk you through 5 specific institutional entry models designed to align your execution with the actual start of a market move. These patterns provide the criteria needed to stop chasing retail momentum and begin entering trades alongside institutional order flow. These 5 entry patterns only become valid when they appear within a strict structural context. Entry models in the middle of a trading range often fail. A high probability setup requires price to first tap a higher timeframe area of interest, like a daily supply zone or major liquidity sweep, before you look for an entry. That higher timeframe context provides the institutional bias. Without it, these times are just noise. The breaker block is a primary reversal tool used immediately after price reacts to our higher timeframe zone. The sequence starts: price creates a swing low, swing high, then a lower low, followed by a strong upward displacement breaking the high. Highlight the up-close candles between the initial low and high. Place your limit order here, with stop loss below, and take profit above. When price returns to this zone, it retests the exact area where breakout sellers are trapped. As these traders close their losing short positions, they provide buy-side liquidity that accelerates the reversal. After a reversal is confirmed and price begins expanding, we use the fair value gap to add to the position as the trend develops. An FVG is a rapid 3-candle sequence creating an imbalance. Mark the space between the first and third wicks. This gap acts as a magnet, pulling price back. Set a buy limit at the top and a stop loss below the nearest low. Mastering the FVG allows you to compound your wins during a strong trend without needing to wait for a full structural reversal. The mitigation block is another reversal model that is often confused with the breaker block, but the internal structure is different. While a breaker requires a lower low, a mitigation block forms a higher low before breaking structure upward. This refusal to drop shows buyer support early. Isolate the last up-close candle between the first low and high. This mitigation zone is your limit entry point. Correctly identifying the higher-low structure is necessary to distinguish this from other patterns and choose the right entry point. When price fails to sweep liquidity at the previous low, institutional buy orders are already absorbing selling pressure, allowing an earlier, confident entry. The inversion fair value gap is a reversal model that forms when a previously established market structure fails to hold. The setup begins when price ignores a standard fair value gap. Instead of acting as support, a strong impulsive candle blasts through the bottom and closes below. The gap instantly flips its role. What was expected to be support now acts as overhead resistance. You can enter a short position immediately upon the candle close or set a sell limit order at the bottom of the inverted zone for a more conservative retest. Because price cut through the zone without a reaction, we expect that same area to be the primary level where sellers defend the new direction. A zone producing a move aggressive enough to break market structure reveals the highest concentration of institutional orders. We call this the order block. Identify a bullish order block by marking the final down-close candle preceding a structurally breaking expansion. The massive following candles confirm the volume. To ensure significance, only use timeframes of 15 minutes or higher. Lower timeframes lack the required sustained volume. Set your limit order at the top edge of the block and place your stop loss safely below the lowest wick of that candle. Using these higher timeframe filters ensures your entries are supported by the same volume that caused the initial structural shift. You now have a reliable and repeatable framework for market entries that relies on structural evidence rather than guesswork. This whiteboard summarizes the 5 models: the breaker block, the fair value gap, the mitigation block, the inversion gap, and the order block. Pick one of these 5 models this week and apply it strictly to your backtesting sessions. Let us know in the comments which one you find the most intuitive. Professional execution relies on identifying these structural shapes and waiting for the higher time frame to confirm the timing. See you in the next video.